Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Exclusive Models. Hope you have found that video. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut this abaya. I will be mixing these two together. You can see this is going to be for the sleeve, and this is the trimmings. Also the color of these trimmings I'll be using at the front of this style, the way it is on the screen. You can see it. So I'm using 3 yards of this fabric. This is 3 yards. The 3 yards now, I'll be folding it into 4 places. This is after folding it into 4. You can see it now. This is after folding it into 4. Then the first thing you're going to do is to take the sleeve length, 24 inches here, 24 inches, and the full length of the sleeve is 31 inches. So 24 plus 7 is going to give us 31. So the 7 inches it will coming from here is going to be an A-shaped sleeve. So after that, I'm going to take the wideness of my sleeve here. The wideness of the sleeve, I'll be using 8 inches. This is 8 inches. When I come to this area, I'll be taking the arm measurement. You know, it's a cut together with the sleeve. That's why we're not taking the shoulder. We just take the length of the sleeve. Then we take the arm. The arm measurement I'll be making use of. I'll be making use of 9.5 inches. You can see. Then here I'll be making use of 1 inch of shoulder slant. So that means this is going to reduce from 8 to be 7.5. So it's still okay for me. 7.5. You can see. So from here I'm going to connect it to this area. You can see it's not going to be straight. It's not going to be straight since they are not the same measurement. The bust measurement is 40 inches. That is 10 in 4 places. It's going to go 40 inches. You can see. Then with the seam allowance of 1.5 inches, you can see. So from here I'm going to go down to the full length. This does not have a waist measurement. It does not have hip measurement. I'm going to slant it down to the full length. But before then, I'm going to take the measurement of the full length, which is 57 inches. You can see. This is 57 inches. This 57 inches is with the seam allowance. So from here, I'm going to slant my hand to the full length. You can as well make use of ruler to make it straight. You can see now. You can see. In some cases, if you are cutting for a bigger size, you have to take the measurement of the hip to know how wide you want this area to be, so it won't tight the owner. So you have to determine that this is the half cut. The half cut for this measurement is 50.5 inches. For this half length, you're taking the hip point of 9 inches. So it's going to be this area that you're going to take your hip measurement. The actual hip measurement, the wideness of the hip for this particular measurement is 46 inches. So that means we still have allowance. You can see it. We still have 3 inches allowance. So it's okay for the cutting. So you can see it now. The next thing that remains here is to cut it out. So you can see the cutting now. The next thing I'll be taking here is the neckline. The neckline of 3.5 inches. You can see. The deepness of the neck here is going to be 2 inches for the back. Then I'm going to connect it together like this. You can see. Then I can now cut it out. You can see. So after that, I'll be dividing my front into 2. But before then, I'm going to come down to lower the neckline of the front to 5 inches. So with a fish shape like this, you can see. Then I can now cut it out. like this. After doing that, I cannot separate the front into two, and the 5 inches that I use is not constant. You can as well lower it more than this. So this is going to be for the front. We're still going to join it back because it has a slit. It has a slit to some extent here. You can see it now. So the next thing now is to cut out the sleeve. So here is my sleeve. I'm going to cut out. The sleeve is going to be an H-shaped sleeve. So I'm using this for the sleeve. I'm cutting it for both sleeves. You can see this is going for the single sleeve, and I'll be using this for the second one. You can see it has been folded into 2 first, then into 4 like this. So you can see now this is 12 inches. I'll be taking that round 12 inches. 12 inches. Then I'm going to cut it out 12 inches. You can see now this is my 12 inches. So what we need to join that sleeve to make it a complete sleeve is 7 inches. So with the same allowance of 1 inch, I'll be making it 8 inches. So here is it. So you can see this is a single sleeve, so I'll be cutting for the second one. So I'm placing that one on it. So you can see this is now for the sleeves. The 2 sleeves are here to make a complete sleeve for the dress. You can see it now. So we're going to use that feather trimming. That's what I'm going to use at this area and at the front of the dress. So let me go and do that and show it to you. Here's the finished work so far. This is the abaya. You can see the front slits. It has an opening at the front here. You can see this is the V-neck line. You can see the V-neck line. So this is the trimmings I'll be adding to it from the neckline to both sides of the slit. I'll add one here. I'll add the other one here too. So if you want to watch the finishing, you can watch me on TikTok at Diesel Fashion. You can also watch the finished work on Instagram at Exclusive Modest. You can see now, this is the flare to complete the length of the sleeve. You can see this is the other one too. This is the belt that I tie to the back. You can see how beautiful this abaya stands too. You can use any fabric of your choice. I'm using a crepe fabric. You can use a Dutchess fabric. You can see how beautiful this is. How do I join this? The first thing I did is the joining of the 2 shoulders. After joining the 2 shoulders, then I attach my flare to it. You can see, then I take the shape. I shape with that at both sides. Then I bias the neckline with a bias. I use a bias to turn out the neckline. Then I hold the front together. I hold it. I stitch it down to this area. Then I stop. Then I sew it separately, just to give me the slit at the down part. Then I stitch these 2. You can see this area. I stitch the down part of the dress, and this is how to join. Then at the side, after stitching it, when you're stitching it down, you notch the waist measurement from the shoulder. From the shoulder, you take the measurement of half cut, which my ear is 15.5 inches. I notch the center. I notch the 15.5 inches. Then I attach my belt to it after turning it like this. Then I attach it at the waist. You can see it inside the stitching. So then I attach it. The same thing applicable to the other side. So you take the waist measurement, the half cut measurement. That is where you're going to attach your belt to. then you tie it to the back. So if you're watching for the first time, you're in the right place to be. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any other tutorial, you'll be notified. See you in my next class.
Bye.
Assalamu alaikum.